Okay. Good afternoon. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for attending, and thank you for, once again, fxstreet.com to giving me the opportunity to speak. For those who are new at our series of webinars, welcome. For those who are joining us since the beginning of the week, very nice to see you all again. Okay. My name is Telmo Pinto. I'm the founder and director of market operations at intuitiontrading.com. We are a team, for those who aren't familiar with Intuition Trading, we are a team of professional traders dedicated to provide simple, real-time, unified trading solutions for investors. Okay, you can see our website at intuitiontrading.com, or you can see our website at fxstreet.com in the services area. Okay. So in the past week, I'm giving some webinars regarding a very different trading system. It's a trading system we use to produce our trading signals. Okay. Let's start with here. Okay, it's very important to know that any comments or made on the webinar are not a solicitation to invest, and you should carefully consider your financial situation as to be suitable to your situation prior to making any investment or entering into any transaction. Okay, you should seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns. Okay, let's move on. Okay. In the beginning of the week, we begin our webinars with the Renko bar charts. I suppose now everyone can produce the Renko bar charts on the MT4 platform. Here on the slide is the the link. You can download the scripts. Okay, you can find more info on our Renko bar charts part 2 webinar that is recorded on the fxstreet.com page. That will show you how to produce these charts on the MT4 platform. If you have other platforms like TradeStation, NinjaTrader, MultiCharts, they are already available to produce these Renko charts at once, okay, on the platform. On the past 2 webinars, we talk about market sentiment indicators. We talk about the COT, the Commitment of Traders report, in order to define the best pairs for the week to trade or to be included, let's say, to be included in our portfolio, and the other tools that I use mainly every day. Okay, the market sentiment indicators provided by Oanda. Okay, these are the links for those reports. You can see in the past 2 webinars too the links and explanations. So today I'm going to show how we can combine the Renko bar charts and the market sentiment indicators in order we can define good spots to entry. Okay. Was curious because yesterday I was talking about the open orders and positions on the euro, and more or less after 50 minutes the webinar ends. What I was saying, well, the market dropped about 70-80 pips like in 20 minutes or so. Okay, because I was expecting that, and I explained that in the last webinar. That was curious. Okay, so now let's go to the other part. Okay, let me open here the okay here. Okay. So this is my mainly chart. Okay, I use Excel and MATCAD to produce some points. Okay, but in order to see the market, as I told, I use the Renko bar charts mostly, and depending on the volatility, I use the 21, 34, and 55 pips. Okay. This is the range of each bar. For instance, on the euro USD, I'm using mostly of the time the 21 pips, okay, on the Renko. This means that every bar you see here, a blue bar, is 21 pips. This orange bar is 21 pips. In order to reverse this area here, let me show that. This area, okay, or this range here, these two bars are 42 pips, okay? In order to reverse, we need to double the size of the Renko bar. So this is 22 pips. Okay, yesterday we were talking about, I was looking at the Oanda market sentiments, and market was about at this level 125, 60, 70 area. I was expecting a drop, well, and market drop about 70 pips, okay, going to test this level here. So after that, market went up, okay. We have now here a very clear, sorry. On the Renko charts, we can see these levels very clearly, okay. This is major break, okay, on the arrow, okay. So we can define this as a possible head and shoulders, okay. We have here the left, the head, the right, and then the break, okay. Now what we can expect? We can expect that market can go here to 125.80 area to test the break, and then possible go up again. But this weekend is complicated because we have the Jackson Hole Symposium, we have the comments on the ECB, and this is the final day of the month. So what we can do now on Arrow and to analyze and to combine the both, okay? This is our chart. We know that market breaks this resistance area, okay? Going to test the 126.20 area, okay? Like I told, on Arrow is very important, the 20, the 50, the 80, and the even level, okay? Test the 20, can go and test again the 80. That was the major break, okay, from the last pivot, okay? Now we have this, okay, so we're going to the other, we're going to Oanda. That was, unfortunately, I can have the two screens open, but it's okay. Okay, we have here, we go to order book, okay? And what you can see in the order book, this is the last 24 hours, okay? On the order book. Yesterday, we were here, okay? Then market entering range. And what happened here, okay? And 7 p.m. GMT, more or less. Like I was explaining on the market sentiments, this orange, when we see on the open positions, this orange here, mostly more than 90% of the time, they will clean up the market, okay? So we can always expect a come to the 25.50 area, okay? What confirms markets break, and from yesterday, unfortunately, we can see yesterday, but what happened yesterday was, on the webinar, was that the market was reversing, and you can see, oh, okay, we can see here, this was a drop from yesterday. The market was creating here some buyers, okay? They were moving from the seller side to the buyer. Is this green here, okay, above 125.50 area, okay? I expected the market went down, okay, and went down and support, then entering range, then break again. And what they do to the market, what we can see here is, okay, now they reverse again the market, okay, they break, they reverse, they clean the market completely, as you can see here, the orange, okay, on here, this orange, they clean completely the market. They pull out the buyers that were on the market, and they put mostly on the sell side again, okay? So what we can expect here? We can expect more upside, more up movements, okay? Because, again, they could reverse the traders that were long and they put them short, and now the 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 upside is clear, okay? So more sellers, more losers, more gain for the other part, okay? Because as I told earlier, as I told in last webinars, we need to think in forex in the contrary way, okay? If mostly are short, we most we most think in long, okay? If mostly are long, we can think in shorts, okay? In this case, as mostly are shorts, okay, we can think in long. We go then to our chart, okay, here. Sorry. We go then to our chart, and what we can deprehend or what we can understand from the Hollanda that I was told, well, okay, find the support here at 25 area, okay, then go up, break this area here was the level where the buyers were, okay, this area where the levels where buyers were, okay, they cleaned the market and went up, okay. Now it's good. Okay, this is okay because you see what happened. Okay, regarding the shorts, I explained yesterday and was now trading with Renko and put this at the table. Okay, like I explained, I only think in reversing my positions when I see 2 or 3 reversal bars. Okay. If I were long here, let me show if I were long here, okay, this is clear the left move, okay. I only think in short at this level or possible at this level, okay, because of the fast upping movement. I confirm that with levels, and these levels are here, okay, let me show you here. When I think in reverse, I seek for this. If you can see the open orders, we can see there the reversal are below 125.50 area. Okay, so I see these levels here. Okay, on the order book, and then I confirm with the with the reversal of the bars. Okay, now in this case, I only can think in shorts as I see the stops are at 25.50 area. I can think in shorts only below this level, okay? Because it's a 25.50, okay? We can possibly have 1-2 bars down, okay? And I only can think in shorts or closing my a partial part of my position, okay? Only if I see a break of this level here, okay, the 125.50 here, because I know that mostly traders are expecting or are closing their positions at 125 below 125.50. So mostly of the time, what happens in market is they will eat is the correct, okay, they will eat these orders here. Some buyers will stop here. They will produce even more sellers to the market. Okay, and then market reverse. That's why we see so many comments. Well, I was stopped out by 1 pip. Well, I was stopped out by 2 pips or 3 pips or etc. Okay, we need to think like the big boys, like the big players. If not, we can't succeed in the forex market. Unfortunately, this is the real truth. Okay, so if I see this level here, I will pay very attention, okay, to this level here, okay. This level is very important here. Is a level that is now supporting the market, okay. We can see a test at 125.80 because it was the last pivot, okay, here, this area, okay. We can see a test here, and you can see is only one Renko bar down, okay. They can test this area, okay. They can define, okay, we test the break, the market is consolidating here, we can go up. Yes, Mikey, to not seem to be reversal recently. Yes, I'm going to go to that part too when market enter in range, okay. That's a good question, boy. I will go to that. Okay, so what we can apprehend here and go to order book, see where the prices are, and we try to locate our best point of entry, okay, based on the Renko chart and based on the order book. Okay. Regarding now the question of Boyke, that is a very good question. I speak of that in I think in the part 2 of Renko bars, but let's go. Okay. If you see this, okay, let's put, okay, we sold at this level, okay? We sold here and market reverse. Okay, that happens. Losses are part of the business here. Okay, so what I do next is, okay, I accept the loss and I reverse the position here. Okay, okay, I got stopped out again. I will only think in shorts again if I see a clearly break of this level, because I had already been stopped out from this entry. I enter short here at point here at this point. Let's insert. Okay, let's put here. I entered short. Oh, sorry, I entered short on this bar. Insert there. I entered long, I closed and entered long here, okay? Then I will only think in short again, okay, because marketing is in ranging. I will only think in short again if I see a clear, a clear break of this level, okay? Preferably 2 bars, okay? We can think in Renko in pair of 2-3 bars, 2-3 bars, okay? Because 1 bar is mostly of the time a retracement of the market. When I see, for instance, this clearly up move, if market go down and go up again, I can add position here, okay? I had my position here to close at the other level, okay? But that with time, I will speak that because this is a series of webinars, and beginning on Monday, I will give my opinion of the current market situation, and I explain that when that happens, I will explain. So too much information is not so good. So let's focus on this now, and we can speak when they appear. I will move that. Okay. So like I was told, this went down, then went up. I need to see a clear break of this level in order I think, well, market is clearing, going down, okay? We have only 1 bar. We can stay comfortable on our trade here, okay? And market went up again, went down, retest, and then break, okay? The best to explain this is we have 3 down, okay? We have 2 up that can put us now, okay? In here, after the second, we need to see at least 5 bars, more or less 5 bars, in order we reverse our position. And these movements here, we can ignore completely because this is market ranging, okay? The biggest problem on the Renko is not the trend, because the trend is perfectly seen in the market, okay? The biggest problem on Renko is, okay, when we can expect a range market, because the ranging market can kill the very good Renko that Renko is, okay? Perfectly match the trend, okay? In the Renko, we need to pay very attention to these moves, okay? These last ones, this and this move, okay? This move here and this move here, I completely ignore because this is noise of the market, okay? We go up, we go down, but we are inside our range here, okay? This is our range, okay? We have here our range, okay? This is our range in the ellipse here, okay? So these two outside, this small ellipse here, okay? This small ellipse, okay? This one is completely noise of the market because are inside of the previous range. So I ignore it, okay? Market is in range, okay? If market go here and then decided go down again, I continue expect a break of this level here in order I can think in more shorts, okay? I need to see a perfectly break of this area, okay? This is what I used to call a stop hunting bar, okay? In here, they clearly hit the stops, okay? Hit the stops to produce what? More sellers on the market, so the market can go up, okay? It's good to reinforce that we need to look at the market at the contrary side, okay? And the best tool we have to see that is the order book, okay? So to resuming, I have 2 minutes to resume here. What is really important here, okay? We can enter in our trade in 2-3 bars, okay? I always seek to 3 bars of the target, okay, of the first target, okay. My target is always 3 bars. I don't define the final target. I wait for a reverse of the market, and at those levels that I reverse, okay. But my first target is always 2-3 bars of the market, okay. In order to reverse, we need to see at least 2 or 3 bars. If market go up, okay, again, I can think, okay, this was a high retracement, okay, or a high range retracement, I can enter long again. But then, in order I reverse or I think again in short, I need to see a clear break, okay? Okay, this go down again, go up, go down, then go up again. I had my target here, okay, my partial. I personally closed at 126.20 area, my last trade, okay. Now I'm not at the market completely, but due to also the very important weekend we are going to have ahead, okay. So this is very good example, and took the order book too in order to see how I can define my entries or where we can define good spots to entry and exit the market, okay? Beginning next week on Monday, we will have our daily commentary, okay, here at fxstreet.com, at In the Money show, okay, In the Money program or webinar or whatever you want to call it. And we will go ahead the current market situation, okay? Every time we'll see a good entry spot or ranging markets, we're going to go not only on the euro pair, but on the major pairs, okay? On GBP, on the Australian dollar, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and USD CAD, okay? Okay, Mike, since time is not present on the chart, are you using the trade? Well, that depends. is that really depends. Can go to 10 minutes or so to 2 or 3 days because we don't Renko bars don't show the time. Okay, one bar can be made in sorry in 10 seconds or 5 seconds, like I that happen, okay, or can be done in 1 day or two, okay? We completely took out the time from the equation here, okay? We only need to know the price, not the time, okay? So I think I answered to your question. If you have any questions, you can contact us, okay? Here, you can contact us or go to our website, intuitiontrading.com, or send an email to tradingdesk@intuitiontrading.com. You can go to our webpage at fxstreet.com, service signals.intuition. I know this past week was a lot of information, okay? But as soon as we go ahead with more examples, with more real market examples, we are going you are going to understand to better combine the Renko charts and the market sentiment indicators in order you can define very good spots to enter in your trades, or you can adopt these techniques to your current trading system, okay, in order to see, okay, I have here a confirmation of an area. I know the stops are mostly here, so I want to put my stop below in order to not be able to go to my stop and reverse the trade. Okay. So yes. Same time, Mike. Same time. So I want to thank you, everyone, to attending our webinar. The webinars are recorded for this week, are all recorded, so we can go from the basics of the Renko chart to this last one, where we can combine the both. Okay. Any questions you have, just contact me or go to our website to see our trading there. So I hope you have all very enjoyable and pleasant weekend, and hope to see you all on Monday. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.